Toybox is not officially documented and requires manual activation. Repeatedly tap the Tesla T logo on the touchscreen for 3 to 5 seconds until a chime sounds. Access may be limited to vehicles with autopilot or full self-driving capabilities and might not be available in all regions due to regulations. It's best used when parked to avoid driver distractions. The Fun Apps section brings retro gaming to your Tesla with classic titles like Snake, Missile Command, and Pac-Man. These games utilize touchscreen controls and integrate seamlessly with Tesla's infotainment system. They are perfect for short entertainment sessions while your vehicle is parked. The Emissions app in Tesla Toybox takes a lighthearted approach to environmental tracking. Instead of displaying real carbon emissions, it shows fictional measurements in fun units like unicorn farts, calculated from your vehicle's speed and energy use data. This isn't a real emissions tracker. It's designed to be humorous, pulling data from your car's sensors to create entertaining measurements that poke fun at environmental themes. The app calculates these measurements using real vehicle data, such as your driving speed and energy consumption, but presents them in a completely fictional and amusing way. Overall, the emissions feature serves as a playful reminder of environmental consciousness, using humor to engage Tesla owners without being a serious monitoring tool. The Sketchpad is a basic drawing tool in Tesla Toybox that lets you unleash your creativity directly on your vehicle's touchscreen. You can adjust brush sizes and colors for your artistic creations. Your sketches can be saved to the vehicle's memory or shared via Bluetooth with other devices. Light shows allow you to program custom sequences for your Tesla's exterior lights, including headlights, taillights, and turn signals. The interface is simple and user-friendly, letting you set patterns, timings, and colors to create synchronized light displays with the car's LED array. It uses basic commands based on time delays and light states, such as turning lights on, off, or changing colors, making it accessible even for beginners with no coding experience. You can create various effects like flashing patterns or gradual color changes across the vehicle's lighting system. Tesla's advanced LED technology enables smooth, vibrant displays that can be customized for different occasions or just for fun. When using Tesla Toybox, remember it's best enjoyed while parked to prevent any distractions while driving. Be mindful of battery drain, particularly during extended light shows that can use 5 to 10% more battery per hour. Keep your sessions short to conserve energy. Also, note that Tesla may update or modify Toybox features in future software updates, so check for changes. Looking ahead, Tesla may expand Toybox with AI-enhanced features, such as generative art for the Sketchpad and dynamic light shows that adapt to music. Integration with full self-driving could enable autonomous light performances, creating stunning displays while driving autonomously. However, regulatory scrutiny on vehicle distractions may limit growth, pushing Tesla towards safety-first designs. The future will also bring improvements to battery efficiency, ensuring Toybox features consume less power during use. Overall, the future of Tesla Toybox holds exciting possibilities, blending innovation with responsible design.